Before you visit BLS Toronto, you need to hear me. If you don't want to waste your time, energy and money, please watch this video till the end because I will be sharing my full experience, the process, the cost, the appointment, the waiting time and everything. Hello everyone, my name is Parul and I make vlogs on daily routine, immigration, a day in my life. But today we will be talking about BLS and how to get an appointment without wasting your time and getting things done in one go. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I asked a lot of friends of mine, what should I do? Should I just book my normal appointment, fill out my form? Because I know I will do it correctly. Take out all the printouts, get my photo done, and every one of them said, Parul, don't waste your money, your energy, and your time. Yes, you heard me right. So what I did, I took the premium service. Now, what is premium service everybody is talking about at BLS? Premium lounge service is completely optional and up to you whether you want to take it or not. So premium lounge service will give you an option where you don't have to do anything. Take premium lounge appointment on BLS website and then they will fill out the form for you. They will take the photos. They will do everything for you. You are not doing a single thing because you are paying them additional $100. So what all are included in premium lounge services? Form filling, photocopying, photograph, return courier, SMS service. But remember, even if you go with premium, your application will be processed completely normal. There is no priority in actual processing. What is the cost breakdown of this premium service we all are talking about? You will be paying additional $100. Yes, $100 is for everyone. That's the passport renew cost. But if you take the premium lounge services, then you need to pay another $100 as I mentioned, where everything will be done by the consulate. So in total, you will be paying $200. One thing I want to mention, so when you make the payment at consulate, no credit cards are allowed. Only debit cards are allowed. The best part, if you forget anything, they're gonna get it everything done for you. That's an advantage of getting premium service. blsindia-canada.com and this is the first link which will gonna pop up. So this is a disclaimer and they say about what has been covered in premium lounge service. This is all you can see. You can just read it out. After that, you can select anything, either Toronto, Ottawa or Vancouver. I did with Toronto. You do proceed. This will gonna pop up. Scroll it down and you will see booking appointment. This one under service availability. So you have to do click here and the second page will pop up where you can see. So if you already have your credentials, you can just sign in. But if you have not created your account in BLS, then you can just do sign up. So I already have an account. So I will just log in it with my credentials. Okay, you have to fill out the whole application. Okay, and then do continue. And it says that an email has been sent to your email address and it will look like something this. And then you can now book your appointment slot. You will do click here to book your appointment. Now, the main thing, application center, you can select wherever you want. I selected Toronto. Then service type, you should be very careful to select premium lounge if you want the premium lounge service. But if you don't want, then you can just select what is the purpose of your visit. Do premium lounge and then application type. Do you want it for yourself? Do you want it for 2 people, 3 people? Depends. After this, you will click on the appointments, and in the green you will see a lot of appointments are available. So just click on any appointment. For example, let's do 12th appointment time. Now you have to fill it out, your name. Then here you can select whatever time slot you want. Do book now. Once you do book now, you will get the email confirmation with your appointment. Lastly, I will give you a brief about my experience. My appointment was scheduled for 1:30 p.m. on Saturday. I reached there at 1:15. So there was a security guard outside. Give me a token. I went inside. I waited for my token number to get it called. And even after getting my appointment, I had to wait at least for 45 minutes. After that, one lady said, okay, come with me. I went with her. Gave me one form to fill out, which was very easy. Your name, your current Canadian address, your signatures. And then she said, give me all the documents. I'll get it photocopy. And I said, okay, but I don't have my ECOPR. She said, that's fine. Take the printout for you. So can you email me on this email address? I did that. She took the printout for me as well. And then after that, she said, okay, it is done. Now you go and get your photos done. I went, a lady was there with the camera. She clicked my photos there. And then she said, okay, these are your photos. Go and wait. Then again, I had to wait. And after that, the third thing, somebody called me and confirmed my current Canadian address, if I'm graduate, what is my current status in Canada. And then she also asked me to give one Indian number and what is the nearest police station for the police verification near to my house. That's it. And then I waited again. Actually, they called me at the front desk and they said, okay, this is just confirm all of your details printed on your passport. And I cross-checked everything. I said, good to go. Then they said, okay, here is the machine, now pay. So I paid $200, $203 to them. They give me the tracking details. They said, you can track your passport here. And that was my process. I was out by 3:30. So with me, I had a good experience with BLS. I was very scared watching a lot of videos, but then fortunately my experience was to the point. One tip I want to share with you is, when you go there, make sure after the first step, after the photo done, keep asking them, keep bugging them and say, hey, you know how much time will it take? I have to go, I have to catch my bus. Then only they will do it. Final thoughts, if you want convenience and don't mind paying extra, please go for premium service. Your things will get it done as soon as possible. Yes. So thank you everyone for this video till the end. I hope you get an idea on how to get things done with different services at BLS. If you have any questions, please feel free to mention in the comment box and I will be happy to answer. Thank you and have a great night. Bye-bye.